Step 2 of the Race Creation Wizard asks a few more questions about the type of race you wish to create. Funfly. A Funfly event disables a scoring mechanism. This allows any group of pilots to create a Funfly event where frequencies and blocks of time are still managed. Instead of running a race heat for 2.5 minutes, you could allow your pilots to free fly for that time, ensuring everyone gets a chance to use the FPV frequencies and reducing the headaches of managing frequencies with multiple people. Rounds in this race. How many times do you want each pilot to fly during this event? We recommend 3 to 5 rounds. Enable time capturing. Set this option to yes if you are using a timing system. Season. Select a season from your chapter. The points awarded for this race will count towards that season's leaderboard. Location of event. Previously, you set up a venue and a track. Now you can select one from this list. This is how pilots will find your race on race day. Event descriptions. Use the following boxes to add more details about your event. If you have special instructions, a schedule, or other information to convey to your pilots, please fill it in now. Send notification. This option will send an email to all the members of your chapter inviting them to join this race. Click Next to complete the step.